math is the language with which we understand the universe. We want students to use good mathematical practice. They occur in everyday short periods, a few seconds here and there. It can be done in a computational way, or it can be done when they're seeing patterns to discover pi as the ratio between the circumference and diameters. Why did I bring in donuts? Blue?
The circle.
A circle. Why not pi? Well, a slice of pie.
A pie is kind of like that.
But you can't bring in one pie.
But I could have brought in pi. I've actually had some students in the past that think there's some significance, there's some relationship between pi and the dessert pie. And the only relationship is that it's circular in shape. So you could, just like many things in nature, whether or not we did the circle around the earth divided by the diameter of the earth, what would the answer be? So pi, it goes on forever. Your birth date is in that number. Your address is in that number. Your locker combination is in that number. Every once in a while, I want you to really think, and I ask you to think deeply about math problems all the time. When you look at the math practices, I look for an express regularity in required reasoning. Human beings are pretty impressive simply because we discovered this ratio. So I'm measuring the circumference, the distance around this donut. And this one, it's right about 32 centimeters. Remember, a centimeter is the width of your little fingernail. 32 centimeters is the circumference. Michael, what'd you get?
3.168316.
3.16, pretty darn close to pi. Students need to always be thinking deeper, and I think that needs to be a message that they hear constantly. Think deeper about this one problem so that they gain an understanding, and that comes through a desire to learn, but as they think deeper about every problem in math, and they see the patterns, they see the repetition, and they recognize. So that's Teddy.